Well, I'm at the farm, and here's Miss Greta. And I can hear the waterfall running in the jungle. Now apparently the river came up so high it was over the path here, and the fish went swimming down the river. So looking like our fish have gone. I'll bring some food down and see what comes up, what's left, if anything. Now, clearly the volume of water was so high I think they've had the cattle in there, and the volume of water was so high that it's gone over. Yeah, look at that. It's come right over here and washed all this down here. And the spillway's running, and the net's broken. And the Brothers Grimm haven't had the brains to repair the net. Just let the fish go. Well, that's the height of the river, and it doesn't usually come up much higher than that, but it's come up another 3 meters. Oh my God, that's as slippery as a politician. Brainless, these two. It wouldn't occur to them to clean the net. Well, that's the net cleared, and I've got more of this net at home. If they'd only have opened the mouth, I'd have come straight down and replaced it. But no, typical Thai. Brothers Grimm, you know, it's well, what they say in Wigan, least said, soon as mended. Oh, the cattle are grazing on this side. That's Greta's calf there, Greta's bull calf. He's making a bonny lad. And there's Loch Leo in all its splendour, and it's running free now. So big holes in the net, so anything that wants to escape will escape. I think in the next dry season I'll do 2 nets. I'll do a net that catches debris about a yard off the dam, and then a net that lets the water go through. Oh, this is classic. They wanted a piece of 2-inch pipe. Now I've got loads of 2-inch pipe at home, but they cut it off there, and they've cut it off there at the joint. Couldn't cut it off there at the joint, then I've got place to... No, they cut it off there. Dumb as you know what, as the Americans say, dumb as dog dirt. Oh, well, there was a fish turning over. Haven't fed him for over a year. Just lost all heart in coming down. But I'll bring some down tomorrow, and then I'll know if there's what there is, and I'll bring a papaya and throw papaya in, and if there's any pack cow left, they'll come up and they'll drag that papaya down. But I suspect they've gone over the top. Such is life. You can see on the legs of the Salar how high the water come up, very high, up to the path here. And look at this, lovely, well cared for Salar. It's got washing up there and a hammock and a pump, and oh my word. Yep, really well looked after and maintained. Well, from Jollity Farm. Oh dear, never mind. May says she'll sell it now. If, you know, it's 10, 17, 24, 30, it's about 34 rye, which is not unsubstantial, you know. And the barn is well built, concrete floor and cattle crush and bunkhouse and a lovely Salar. Farm garden. So we'll see. See you later. Bye bye for now.